Hi, I'm Randy Friedman bringing you today's Posh Foreclosure. This home is a short sale located on the exclusive Davis Islands. Here is the deal. It's listed for $325,000. It sold in 2005 for $525,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has a circular drive and carport. The home has a pool and is almost 2,000 square feet. Your wait to find a Davis Island short sale home is over. This home has a pool. There's a formal living and dining rooms, large master bedrooms, all with wood floors throughout. The home has a newer roof, AC system, and windows. Now is the time to buy on Davis Islands, and this is the home. To see more about this wonderful property and our other great deals, please visit our website at poshforeclosures.com. Thank you.